Hello my dear students, I hope you all are very fine. Today I welcome you again in chapter 6, that is digestion. In the previous video we had discussed two processes of the digestion, that was ingestion and digestion in the stomach and small intestine. Today again we are going to discuss about the digestion process, but today we will discuss the third stage of the digestion, that is absorption, and the fourth stage, that is egestion. So without any delay, let's start our video. First we are going to discuss is absorption. Okay, in the absorption two organs take place, that is small intestine and large intestine. In the egestion process, the organs participate is rectum and anus. If you will see the picture, this is the picture of the rectum and anus, which is the last part of the large intestine only. So this is how we are going to discuss about these two stages in this video. So without any delay, let's discuss this video. First is absorption. In the last video we had discussed that digestion is completed in the small intestine. After that, what happened? After that, absorption takes place in the small intestine itself, and that's why we can say there are two processes that take place in the small intestine. First, the digestion is completed, and second is the absorption of nutrients. Okay, yes. After digestion is being completed in the small intestine, food becomes soluble and get absorbed through the wall of the intestine. Yes, the wall of the intestine is having the structure, hair-like structure, that increases the absorption area. If you will see, this is a small intestine and this is the internal shape of the small intestine. You can see these are having the hair-like structure. Actually, these hair-like structure is present on the wall of the small intestine, and with the help of that only all the nutrients are getting absorbed by the wall of the small intestine. And that's why here it is said the digestion is completed, and after that whatever nutrients are present, they used to absorb by the small intestine directly by the blood cells which is present on the wall of the small intestine. Okay, so that's why absorption happens on in the small intestine also. Next we are going to discuss is absorption in the large intestine. Now, whenever we are talking about the large intestine, just keep in the mind here all the undigested food is only passing by the small intestine. After getting absorbed by the wall of this small intestine, all the undigested or waste materials are passed to the large intestine. Large intestine is shorter as compared to the small intestine. Small intestine is larger, okay, longer, and it is very much coiled, as you can see the shape. But large intestine is little broader and shorter also, broader and shorter as compared to the small intestine. And here only and only the absorptions of water and minerals takes place. This question can come in the examination where the absorption of nutrients takes place. So answer will be small intestine. But where water and minerals are absorbed, then answer will be large intestine. In the large intestine only water and minerals are absorbed. After that, what happened? After that, the process of egestion starts, which happened with the help of this. Okay, this is rectum, that you are seeing the broader part, and the opening of this part is known as anus. Okay, rectum is a part where the undigested food used to store. Okay, and whenever that are full, we used to go to the toilet, and with the help of the opening of rectum, that is known as anus, with the help of that we used to throw out the undigested food, which is known as feces. Absorption of water and minerals in the large intestine results the formation of feces. What is feces? It is the important terms to note down. Feces are the waste material, okay, that comes out whenever you are going to remove the waste material, okay, with the help of the anus. So these feces are collected in the rectum. Okay, it takes 28 to 30 hours. Okay, for 30 hours or for 24 hours, it used to collect the undigested food over there, and once it is filled, then we used to discharge it with the help of the toilet when we go to the toilet, and that time it is coming out from the rectum, okay, with the help of this anus. So here the process of digestion is completed. We can say that the complete digestion process takes 24 to 30 hours. Why? Because once we are eating and complete whole day for 24 hours, we used to eat different type of food, and at last early in the morning again after 24 hours, okay, we used to remove that food. So that's why we can say this complete one cycle takes 24 to 30 hours, and after that again next process start. But during this period we used to take the food after every 3 to 4 hours, and that keep on digesting, and after digesting it keep on absorbing, and after that it keep on storing waste material in the rectum also. Okay, so this is how the completion of the digestion takes place inside our body with the help of the different digestive organs. So let's recall one more time the complete process. In these two videos we had discussed digestion takes start in our mouth. From the mouth the food goes to the stomach. From the stomach, after 3 to 4 hours, this food goes to the small intestine. In the small intestine, the food is get absorbed, and after that undigested food is passed to the large intestine. There the absorption of water and minerals occurs, and after that the food, okay, after absorbing the food which is undigested food which is known as feces, just transfer to the rectum where it is stored, and at last with the help of the anus it used to come out. So I hope you all have understood this all processes, and this video will help you to complete or to understand in a better way. Thank you so much.